In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you work late or spend long hours in front of your screen, a darker interface can make a big difference. PowerPoint gives you two darker looks to choose from: dark gray, which softens the interface, and black, which is the deepest, most contrast-rich option. Let's switch to one of these themes quickly and safely. First, open PowerPoint. If it's already running, take a moment to save any open presentations so you can focus on the settings without worrying about losing changes. Next, we'll open the application settings. On Windows, go to the File tab in the top left corner, then choose Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window. If you're on a device where you see Preferences instead of Options, you'll use that. Preferences is simply the Mac style name for the same idea. Either way, you're heading into the app's general settings. Inside the Options or Preferences window, select the General category. This is where you can control how PowerPoint looks and behaves. Look for the section labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. This section is important because it doesn't just affect PowerPoint, it applies to the whole Office suite, including Word and Excel. So the theme you choose here will carry over to your other Office apps as well. Find the Office theme drop-down menu. Click it, and you'll see options like colorful, dark gray, and, in many current versions, black. Choose dark gray if you want a softer, more balanced, dark interface that keeps text legible without being too stark. Choose black if you prefer the most dramatic reduction in bright UI elements and the highest contrast. If you don't see black as a choice, your Office build may be older. Updating Office usually makes the black theme available. After selecting your preferred theme, confirm the change by clicking OK. The interface will switch immediately. You'll notice the ribbon, menus, and backstage view adopting the darker tone, while your slides themselves remain unchanged. That's by design. The theme affects the app's Chrome, not the content of your presentation, so your audience won't see any difference in your slides unless you change the slide design separately. If you ever want to switch back, follow the same path and pick colorful or whichever theme you prefer. And remember, because this is an Office-wide setting, your choice will keep you comfortable and consistent across PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. That's it. Quick, simple, and easier on the eyes.